Welcome to the Adventures of Carlienne channel. I'm Carl, and thanks for tuning into our cooking series, where we share anything and everything we love about that kitchen life. January, we're kicking off our egg challenge. So every day in January, we're going to be putting out a video of how to make a different type of egg. So I hope you're ready. Let's go.
Recording.
Baked eggs, aka shirred eggs, are a go-to make-ahead breakfast dish that have been very popular with the home cook and the fit chef. All you need are some beaten eggs, a ramekin, maybe some filling, and you're ready to go. So let's get into it.